Here is the rainbow now I've been longing for. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, nothing but blue sky. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue sky. Here is the rainbow now I've been longing for. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that used to rip me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. My name is Bernard Snyder. I'm originally from Germany. And now I live in Italy, and my wife's from New York, so we live in Italy, New York, and I also organize a festival in Brazil that I go to all the time, so I'm like traveling. I've been a street performer all my life. I started playing on the streets when I was 14. When I went to Paris, I was hitchhiking, and I got my guitar, I played in the metro, it was really nice, great acoustics, and I made some money. And then when I was 17, I just stayed in Paris. I didn't go back to school. I started my professional career. Well, I was in Switzerland, I think I was 18 or 19, and I was playing guitar on the street, and it was okay. Every now and then somebody would stop, but I didn't have that much of an audience, really. And there were some friends of mine who had become one-man bands with drums on their back, so I thought I'd try too, and I did, and it worked really well, and I stuck with it. I've just been doing it ever since.
And you don't have concert at all?
I don't really do concerts. No, it's really a street thing. I mean, I have played on stages, I've been on television and stuff, but it's this is the kind of thing that is okay for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but then, you know, it's nobody'd want to sit there for an hour and a half and watch me play. You know. In Brazil, we organize a street performers festival. This is it's called Festival de Rua, and you can find it on the internet, www.festivalderua.com. And it's we invite street performers. They're about half international and half local street performers. We've been doing it since 2002, and it's a really nice festival in Salvador de Bahia.
Are you first time in Slovenia?
No, this is my third time actually. I've driven through a few times, and I always stopped in Maribor because it's a very nice town. Yes, I've been in Ljubljana. It wasn't. I like this place better.
How come? Why?
It's for street performing. It's more adequate. The streets here, you have, you know, like 4 streets that are all pedestrianized, and the atmosphere is good. And I like it here. By the look in your eye, I can tell you when I cry. Is it over me? Let us save your tears. I'm not worth it, you see. I'm the type of guy who's always on the road. Wherever I lay my hat, that's my home. Wherever I lay my hat, that's my did you break it by chance? Oh, but so I'd like you to know that I'm not worth it, you see. For I'm the type of guy who's always on the road. Wherever my home. Wherever I lay my hat, that's my home. Oh, oh. But you keep telling me that I'm your man. To make you understand that I'm the type of guy who's a go-yard. Everybody knows